Hi, my name is Tim Mosel. We're going to talk about a fairly new model called DeepSeek, which, if you look at this table, it outperforms a lot of the other current models. We're also going to talk about its privacy policy, and then we're going to look at how we can get around that. So as you can see, ChatGPT or GPT-4o is outclassed in many testing by DeepSeek. So it's a very good model. But the problem is the privacy policy. They have a really, what some people might consider a terrible privacy policy. To illustrate, I went into Claude. I put their privacy policy in, and I said, anything I should be concerned about. And as you can see, they collect a lot of things from you, including keystroke patterns, device IDs, data sharing. They use your data for sharing and for training. It's stored on servers in China, which has different privacy protection laws than the United States. And if you look through here, there's a lot of reasons why you might be concerned with your data putting it into DeepSeek. But there is a solution for that. And the solution is that you can install a local model of DeepSeek, use it so that it never touches the internet, and therefore the data is not shared. What we're going to do is download LM Studio. You go to LM Studio, right here, lmstudio.ai, and as you can see right here, you can download it from there. I already downloaded it. At this point, I just need to install it. So I'll click Next and Install. And the great thing about this program is it runs locally on your computer, no internet required. You can be on the airplane using it. You can be anywhere without internet. And your data is secure in terms of not being shared with the company or being shared over the internet. Now with LM Studio, you have the option of selecting what model you're going to use. And there's a lot of different models to choose from, including DeepSeek. So once this finishes installing, I'll show you how to get that set up. All right, I've got LM Studio installed and opened up. First thing I'll do is come up here and I'm going to select a model. And I'm going to do a search for DeepSeek. And then I'll click Search More Results. And we come up with quite a few options, this big list on the left here. All the different varieties and flavors of DeepSeek. So for this example, I'll pick this one. It's integrated with Llama and Qwen. I'm going to choose Llama. And from there, all I need to do is come over here and click Download. The model just finished downloading. The next step is to click here to load model. And as you can see, it's loading right here. Once that's loaded up, here's my chat window. And enter your prompt. And once that finishes loading, we'll click Send just to make sure it works. And that really concludes this. Once you get that downloaded and installed, now you can have a large language model right on your desktop without any security concerns. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you find it useful. Thanks.